Let's stir up this delicious red Thai curry chicken, and today we're going to make it in the Instant Pot. What you need for this recipe is 2 pounds of chicken breast cube, 2 tablespoons of red Thai curry sauce, 1 can of coconut milk, half cup of Thai chicken broth, 1 teaspoon lime juice, half cup sliced carrots and green peppers, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic, 10 to 12 basil leaves. So let's get started. First, you're going to put your Instant Pot in saute mode, and in some heated oil, you're going to add your ginger and garlic and just fry it for about 2 minutes or so. Once it starts to sizzle, you know you're ready to add your chicken. So I had pre-washed my chicken and kept it aside. I'm just going to add it in here. You're going to fry the chicken now for about 5 minutes or until it's no longer pink. So continuously stir. You don't want this stuck to the bottom. You do not want to add any water. Once it looks like this, you can add your Thai curry paste. So I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons. If you want it to be less spicy, you can add less. If you want it to be more spicy, you can add more. So just stir this into your chicken for about a couple minutes, and then you're ready to add your next ingredient, which is going to be the coconut milk. Now, again, the coconut milk is pretty liquidy. You do not want to add any more water. So once you add the coconut milk, give it another stir for about a minute. And lastly, we're going to add some chicken Thai broth. You can just use regular broth or regular water if you prefer. This just adds a bit more flavor, just a tip from me. So you're going to add this, and then we're going to just mix it in for another minute. And at this point, you're just going to wait for this to come to a quick boil on saute. And then we're ready to add all our veggies. Now today I'm going to be just keeping it to carrots and green peppers. You can certainly add peas or beans if you like. This is just what I had at home. And of course, basil leaves. Basil just adds a nice flavor to it. I do add a lot to it, and I take it out before serving just to have the right aroma and fragrances there. Once you've added your veggies, just give it a quick stir, and now you can pressure this on manual for about 3 minutes or so. That should be enough for chicken, because in the saute it's pretty much cooked, so you don't want to overcook it either. Now when you close the lid, make sure you have your Instant Pot on the sealing position and wait for the red valve to go up and wait for it to naturally drop down. So as I mentioned, we're going to just press the manual button and then bring our time down to 3 minutes by pressing the minus. After 12 minutes or so, that means it lets it sit there for natural pressure release. The red valve has dropped, and now you can open your Instant Pot. And ooh, it smells amazing. This is just like the perfect curry. You need to cook it for much longer on the stove top, and the Instant Pot just makes it the perfect temperature, the perfect consistency. Here are the ingredients for you once again to screenshot. Definitely give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.